Hello, friends. Gather round again. Hello, friends. Gather round again. Let's learn to count from 1 to 10. Are you ready? Let's go. Let's begin. 1 apple, shiny and red. 2 bananas for breakfast spread. 3 frogs hopping by the stream. 4 birds soaring in a dream. Count with me, 1 to 10. Say it loud and start again. 1, 2, 3, 4, now you're alive. Keep it going. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, high five. 5 carrots, crunchy and sweet. 6 grapes, a juicy treat. 7 flowers, blooming so bright. 8 balloons floating in the light. 9 kittens playing in a row.